210104, modified 210104, and access 210104.
This is Tombeles Kwang go 210104, and also Skaska 1508 21 Sapindes Kukulong, also the Suskati Sapindes Gena, also son of Suskati. So soon, for January 2021.
Yes. And can you just once again place on record, according to the Tower Information Exhibit DD5 in brackets E Roman figure 1, where does the
about that
tower
time,
place the instrument at that point?
on that stage at 1543, I've just testified from the just after 12 till 2300 hours. It was the whole day in the Queenswood area, and at 1543 there in the middle about, you'll see there was 1533. It also, there was a call received that was also in the Queenswood area. So the tower will be the Queenswood 3G Queenswood NGA tower.
3G Queenswood NGA, or Yabunaluti. I saw the Suskaska 1533. The phone they actually called Ingena. I saw the Scotch E corner of Queenswood.
Now, can you just place on record the IMEI number or the headset number of the handset as reflected in Exhibit DD5 in brackets E, Roman figure 1?
35329108 5098889.
Number again, the phone is the number 35329108509889.
Just repeat it, 3532 08.
My
35329108
9108, yeah.
50.
50,
Yes.
yeah.
9889.
Okay, thanks.
And if I can ask you to turn to Exhibit DD5, your first affidavit, on page 3.
page 3. My screen, my lord, my screen just
Kevin.
even, so I'm working this one.
Yes.
This was the phone that was handed to me for analysis to see, and the IMEI number that was found on the phone that was downloaded was 35329108 509889.
Now, what is your comment now regarding this serial number and the one that appears on Exhibit DD5 in brackets E Roman figure 1?
It's exactly the same IMEI number.
IMEI number, the phone that I found who Exhibit DD5.
Now, just finally, Lieutenant Colonel Halls, you have been testifying about the communication between the numbers that were identified as belonging to the accused. Are there any of those numbers that appear in Exhibit DD5 in brackets E in bracket 1?
Yes, my lord. page 6. It will be your page 7, I think. There's one page left there. Just want to check quickly. Peter, now screen just went now, so. August 1918. On 25 August.
So that will be page 5 of exhibit.
Yeah, it will be page, your page 6.
Page 5 of exhibit DD.
5 in brackets E in bracket 1.
My lord, it will be your page 6. I think there's one page that
page
is
6.
missing somewhere. Page 6 on your.
It's page 5.
Is it page 5? Yeah, it's page 6 on mine. Yeah, it's page 5. Page 5. Sorry, my lord. Yeah. 25 August there. Page 5. Must I read, my lord?
Yes.
There was a call 27609016890. He received a MTC terminating call from accused from number 27715951239 accused 5 for a 1,147 seconds while he was in the Queenswood NGA area.
So the number is 0609016890. Yathola ucingo mhla ka 25 January 2020 isikhathi ko 191807 ephuma enambeni u071 5951239. Ucingo lolu lwaba lwathatha isikhathi esiyinkulungwane nekhulu elilodwa namashumi amane nesikhombisa kusetshenziswa yona le tower le yase Queenswood.
And on page 74, page,
exhibit.
the same with the data, page 74. Page 73, let me just check quickly here. Got it. 8th of December, just want to get the time, 1909. Sorry, my lord, it's page 73. Page 73.
Of exhibit DD5E.
That's correct, yes.
Figure 1.
Is that DD5E?
That's correct.
Yes.
1.
Yes.
Okay. So it's page 73.
Page 73.
Is the date?
8th of December 2020, 1909-06.
That will be on page 74, my lord.
It's your 74, my 74.
74, almost in the middle of the page.
9th of December.
8th of December 2020, 1909-06. The 27609016890 made a call, outgoing call to accused 5, 27715951239. 0 seconds. I don't know if the phone was off, but there was no time while he was in the Queenswood NGA area.
So the phone then 06090168990 yazama ukuthi ifonele u071595123 ekamsolo wesihlanu ngomhla 8 December ngesikhathi sika 1909-06 sensayona le tower yase Queenswood kodwa ke bona lapha kungenasikhathi okusho ukuthi ke akuhlalwanga efonini.
Then on the same page, at 21:02:40, December 21:46:05. Can I continue, my lord?
Yes.
276090168990 received a call, MTC call terminating from accused 5 with number 27715951239 for 553 seconds while he was in a Queenswood NGA cell area.
The number 0609016890 yathola call evela kumsola wesihlanu number yakhona 0715951239 leyo foni ngesikhathi sika 21:46:05 ukuthi ke futhi ke kwahlalwa isikhathi esilingana nemizuzwana eyamakhulu amahlanu neshumi nanhlanu nantathu isetshenziswa yona leya cellphone tower yase Queenswood.
And then on the same page, at 9 December 2020 at 008:15, can I continue, my lord?
Yes.
276090168990 was a MOC outgoing recall originating for 1 second to 2777159 27715951239, the number of accused 5, while he was in a Queenswood NGA cell tower.
So the number is 0609016890 ngelanga likamhla 9 ku December 2020 isikhathi ka 00815 yafonela inamba kamsolo wesihlanu 0715951239 bahlala nje umzuzwana owodwa kodwa besebenzisa yona leya cellphone tower yase Queenswood.
That was the only numbers up with other accused in this matter, my lord.
Thank you, Madam. That concludes the examination of the witness.
Yeah, Mr. Ngobefakaza, any cross?
Thank you, Madam.